Urhobo ya naluna.
Hello, our dear grown-up family. It is another day to learn our mother tongue. Today, we shall look at plurals in Urhobo. Let's talk about plurals in Urhobo. In English, you just add s to make something plural. Car, calves. House, houses. Boy, boys. But in Urhobo, we do something cooler. We change the first vowel of the noun. Since every Urhobo noun starts with a vowel, a, e, I, o, u. We usually make plurals by changing the first vowel to either a or e. The main rule. Most Urhobo plural nouns are formed by changing the first vowel to a or e. Which one depends on the word, but don't worry, we've got some examples. Some words starting with a, e, or e form plurals with a, but others switch to e instead. Examples: if form, abakan, ìbàkan, agbára, ìgbára, èwe, èwe, ẹ̀chẹ, ẹ̀chẹ. Example: if form, emu, imú, thing, things, eni, ini, elephant, elephants.
Urhobo ya naluna.